Hello class 5. Today we will continue with our 6th chapter, that is social reforms in India, and we are reading about the social reformers. We have already read Ram Mohan Roy and Vivekananda Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Today we will read about another social reformer, that is Dayananda Saraswati. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was also another famous social reformer who played an important role to fight the evils of the Indian society. We have already seen that in the 19th century many social evils were there in the Indian society, and due to these the Indian society was lagging behind, and due to these drawbacks many social reformers came forward to fight against the social evils. Dayananda Saraswati was one of the social reformer who fought against the social evils, some of the social evils of the 19th century. Now, if we are asked who was Dayananda Saraswati, we say that Dayananda Saraswati was a social reformer who was born in 1824 in Kathiawar, in Gujarat. So Dayananda Saraswati was a social reformer who was born in Kathiawar in Gujarat. He was one of the important social reformer, and he played an important role to fight against the social reforms of the 19th century. Now we'll see that what was the social reforms that he tried to implement in the society. So first of all, we'll see that his main teaching was back to Vedas. One of the main teaching of Swami Dayananda Saraswati was back to Vedas. That is, he believed in the Vedas. We have read earlier that Vedas is one of the important religious texts of the Hindus, and he believed, Dayananda Saraswati believed that the Vedas contains the root of Hinduism, and thus he gave his teaching that people should go back to Vedas, that is, they should follow the Vedas, as the root of Hinduism lay in the Vedas. So his main message was back to Vedas. He asked all the people, he appealed to all the people, all the Hindus of different caste, that they should read the Vedas and they should follow the Vedas, and he believed that by following the Vedas, better men can be brought about in the Indian society. So his main message was back to Vedas. He proposed or preached Vedic education, and he believed that the learning of Veda will make the condition of the society better. Apart from these, we see that Dayananda Saraswati also played important role. He fought for the establishment of equal status for women. Now, we see that during this time, during the 19th century in India, women were not given equal status in the society along with men, but Swami Dayananda Saraswati demanded that women should be given equal status in the society. He also supported education for women. So education for women was another important subject that Dayananda Saraswati took upon. We have seen Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Ram Mohan Roy also supported the education of women, and here we see Swami Dayananda Saraswati is also supporting education for women, because these great stalwart, these great social reformers believed that women were a part of the society, and if the social reform will be possible and successful only when women are also given education along with men, and if the women are kept in the dark, then complete social reform will not be possible. So he supported education for women. Along with these, we see he also supported widow remarriage. So we have read earlier that it was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar who took the greatest initiative to legalize widow remarriage, and through his reform, through his protest and through his work, he helped in legalizing widow remarriage in 1856. Swami Dayananda Saraswati also supported the widow remarriage, and he said that widow remarriage should be allowed in the Hindu society. Now we see that apart from these, he also supported that idol worship should be stopped. He was against idol worship, which already was proposed by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and Dayananda Saraswati was also against idol worship. Apart from these, we see that Dayananda Saraswati, other reforms we will see that Dayananda Saraswati was against performance of costly rituals. He was against performance of rituals. So we see that he is supporting the Vedas, and in Vedas many rituals were followed in the Vedic period. But though he is saying that the people should learn from the Vedas, but still he is opposing the performance of rituals, and he is against idol worship, and he urged the people to worship only one God. He urged people that they should worship only one God. We know that in Hinduism many gods and goddesses are there, but Dayananda Saraswati was completely against these. And what we see is that in this situation, in this period, during this time, another social evil was untouchability. Lower class people, people of lower strata were not touched. Even their faces were not seen. But we see that it was Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He opposed these untouchability, and he was also against the caste system of Hinduism. So he strongly opposed untouchability and caste system, which was prevalent in Hinduism during that time. So these were basically his major reforms, the major reforms of Dayananda Saraswati. And there we see his main message was back to Vedas. He is urging the people to read the Vedas. And we see that in 1875 he also started a society. The name of the society was Arya Samaj, and through this society we see he preached the message of his teachings. His teachings, he went to different parts of India and gave his message about the Vedas. He explained the Vedas to the people of different areas. Also, we see that another important work of Dayananda Saraswati was the translating of the Vedas. He translated the Vedas into simple language of the common people. So the common people were able to read the Vedas and able to understand it. So what we see is that Swami Dayananda Saraswati was an important social reformer of the 19th century, and the most important task that he did was the founding of the Arya Samaj in 1875. And this society, this Samaj, took up all the causes that Dayananda Saraswati wanted to preach in the society. Through his teachings, we see he wanted to bring about change in the society, and he fought the social evils of the 19th century in his own way. Thank you.